कि खूबोर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
पदक अपने नाम किया है मेघालय ने इस खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स 2023 के अंदर। स्वर्ण पदक गया है फुटबॉल में बॉयज सेक्शन का मेघालय के नाम। फाइनल में उन्होंने
Kisam lalur ki baha po khat khandai snem jog kin ho ni le kai football ka Meghalaya playo khur tak mak ser da ka Pynliem ka Punjab da arla not ha ka jiya khon jong ki ya ka final ha ka football jong Khelo India Youth Games aracha apusau balai le kai Hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Tamil Nadu ha ka sngi balang ka lai poetrek uklaling kot aracha apusau gya kini ki gol bro atli la thap du badan dor mar banyang koi ha ka class step bat koi ha ka kalamin Kani kadai ka sin ningkong ka Meghalaya bakan yo ra bat khur tak maksiar ha ka Khelo India Youth Games.
ये रहे आज मैच के हीरो जिन्होंने दोनों गोल मेघालय की तरफ से दागे और 2-0 की जीत दिलाई मेघालय की टीम को पंजाब के खिलाफ। और ये कमाल का प्रदर्शन है, इस टीम ने कमाल कर दिखाया और विजेता बनी है मेघालय की टीम। स्वर्ण पदक गया है मेघालय के नाम। ऑफिशियल्स ने भी काफ़ी मेहनत की, टीम मैनेजर और ये वो सेलिब्रेशन, दर्शकों का अभिवादन स्वीकार करती हुई ये टीम, जो स्कूली बच्चे आए हुए हैं इस मुकाबले का लुत्फ उठाने के लिए।
How's feeling after win the gold medal, Salman?
It's feeling great. We've been waiting this moment a very, very long time. So, first of all, I want to thank God for everything He gave us, and especially to our team management, coach Sir Jeffrey and Sir Molos and Sir Andy, who arrange us, who keep us like we are the son. So, thank you so much. For before the final, we have a meeting like. Coach give us tactic and help us to improve our game every day, every match. So he support us, motivate us to play a very good game so that we can achieve this gold medal.
Right now it's a very happy moment, it's a proud moment for every one of us. Congratulations boys, you really did it again. You have done it in the semi-final. It's such a very beautiful game in the semi-final. We came back from 2 goals. After we conceded 2 goals, we came back, we scored 5 goals. So it's happened again. It's a happy time again here in the final.
The Khelo India is a good platform. How feel here to win and compete the other teams? How feeling in the play to Khelo India?
I think it's a great opportunity for us, for our youth, to compete against other states. Because if we compete only in our state, we cannot have like we don't know the opponent's strength. We don't know how they can play. But this Khelo India give us opportunity to play, to compete against another state. Was good. Thank you.
Really, many congratulations, Salman and Jeffrey sir. What a great achievements, and many congratulations. Thank you so much हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए.
Yes, from my side, back to Meghalaya, I would like to give my thanks to all the supporters, especially our very own director of sports and youth affairs, and then all the officers in the sports department, all my families, my friends. Thank you so much, and we will meet you in Shillong. Thank you.